Blizzard. Focus question. What is a blizzard and how does it affect people? Affect people. The worst white hurricane on a March Sunday in 1888. It began to rain in New York. The temperature dropped quickly as night fell. The rain turned to ice, then to snow on Monday. People woke to howling winds. Snow piled high in the street. The great white hurricane lasted 3 long days. The storm buried the northern United States. When it was over, more than 400 people had died. The storm cost millions of dollars in damage. It would be summer before the last of the snow would melt. The blizzard of 1888 was one of the worst storms in history. Extreme storm. 3 things turn a snowstorm into a blizzard. Strong winds, blinding snow, and freezing cold in a blizzard. Winds blow at speeds of 35 miles per hour. They blow for at least 3 hours. Wind gusts may even reach a hurricane force of 75 miles per hour or more. The wind whips snow through the air, making it hard to see. This is known as whiteout. A whiteout is when no one can see anything more than a quarter of a mile away. Safe travel is nearly impossible during the whiteout. Blowing wind also creates something called wind chill. Wind chill causes the body to lose heat faster. Skin feels like it is in air that is much colder. Wind chill can cause bare skin to freeze. Birth of the blizzard. Blizzards began as snowstorm. A layer of moist warm air meets cold air. Clouds form and the water in them freezes into the flakes. The flakes fall from the sky as snow. Blizzard country. Blizzard can happen anywhere there is snow. There is a greater chance of them happening in some places than others. The east coast of the United States is one such place. Storm cold. Often hit this area. North-eaters can last for several days and bring lots of snow. Sometimes a snowstorm began in western Canada. It then traveled quickly across the American plain and heads east. This type of storm is called an
Alberta
clipper. Clippers don't bring a lot of snow. They are known instead of their strong wind and biting cold. Many of the North America's blizzards start after a snowstorm that are or từ lúc này bên này
đây từ nào Northeaster
or
Alberta
clipper being prepared and
Stay.
staying safe. The mix of the wind, snow, and cloud make blizzards dangerous. Years ago, blizzards caused people many by surprise. Today, it is easier to know when and where blizzards will strike next. This gives people time to prepare. They can make sure they have batteries and flashlights in case of a power loss. Family can make sure they have enough food and water to last for several days. They can hurry home before the snow starts. Once they are prepared, people should settle and wait in and wait out the storm. The best place to be in a blizzard is inside. In time, the storm will end. Then it will be safe to have fun in the snow is left behind. Correction, writing an art. Imagine being in the middle of a blizzard. Write a journal intro about what happened, including how you prepared for the blizzard and what you saw. Science is a Venn diagram to compare a blizzard with another type of storm. Share the Venn diagram with a partner.